Hey, it's Kobe with Synergy Graphics, and today we're going to talk about a really fun project that we're part of. We're teamed up with Rock 106.7, Viking Automotive Onsite Detail, and a couple other partners to wrap this car and give it away for this Christmas. All right, on this project, we're going to take this old Honda Pilot, kind of a dingy bluish gray color, and we're going to go to a satin, nice charcoal gray finish with some satin black and matte black highlights. So this should be a really fun project. Hopefully you enjoy the video.